I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want sound now, so plug the metal zone into a stable 9V power source and run guitar straight into its input. Do not crank amp volume. Set dist low, level at noon, and all EQ knobs at 12 o'clock to start. Once done, engage the pedal and play a single note while switching pickups so you hear bassline character. Make sure the pedal is before delays and reverbs to keep distortion tight. This avoids washed-out time-based artifacts and gives reliable starting feedback. You now shape the core tone. Raise dist slowly until you get desired saturation while using level to keep output consistent with bypass. Then focus on the mid knob and sweep the mid freak control to find the most musical band that adds bite or removes honk. This controls note articulation and helps solos cut. Adjust low to prevent boom and high for clarity. Small moves matter. Once you like the balance, test palm-muted riffs to ensure low end stays tight and harmonics remain defined. Finish by playing full parts and making tiny EQ tweaks while listening for clarity and sustain. You want power without mud. Try placing a clean boost before the Mt-2 for thicker gain or after for level push. Each option changes the clipping feel. If you encounter excessive hum or oscillation, first swap to a dedicated isolated 9V adapter and confirm proper cable shielding. If noise persists, add a noise gate after the pedal. That fix eliminates most common metal zone issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.